Okay, so friends, I am Dr. Heena and today for scholarship grade 4, we are learning the subject English, and in the English, our today's topic is article. Okay, so from your childhood, since nursery, junior, senior, you all know there are three types of article: a, an, the. Okay, so when we use a and an for singular noun, we use a and the when any word or the noun starts with consonant. We use a. If it starts with vowel or the sound of vowel, we use an. Okay, why I said sound of vowel? So see, our the spelling is HOUR, but we write an hour because it pronounced like our. No, H is silent here and we pronounce with the sound of O. So that's why we use an instead of a. So that only the theme given here, and the is used for the definite article or the universal thing like the Taj Mahal, the sun, the moon and all. Okay, so you all know the basic rules regarding an article. So I think we will directly move to practice exercise, and only the point I want to mention is a and r are also used before the nouns that are used to describe something. Means before adjective or something which we are going to describe, we use the article. But for person's name, we never use a or an. So he is an architect. So we are describing something about him, so we use the article. Okay, now we'll move to practice exercise. Now see, choose the correct option, and the given question is we have to use the correct article in the sentence, and the sentence is the plane started again after dash dash hours delay. Now see, I just told you that hour we pronounce with the vowel, so we use here and not the a. So the correct option is option number 2. Now honesty is dash dash best policy. So we always say this is a phrase, honesty is the best policy. So the definite thing is described with the article the. So the correct option is option number 3. Disha is dash dash honest girl, isn't she? Now again, honest we pronounce with the sound of vowel, so you have an idea what will be here. So write down. Okay, I just told you. So for homework, Anusha's mother is dash dash excellent doctor. Now here we are describing something about, we are telling something about Anusha's mother, so we use article, and excellent e, it is the vowel, so we use an. So third number is the correct answer. Now fifth, sixth, seven, eight you try at home because it is very simple and you are learning it from your junior senior, I think. Okay, now where would you put the given article in the following sentence? Now we have to put the article and the sentence is it is honor to be chosen. Okay, so before honor, before chosen, after honor, or before be. So when you use it before honor, because it is an honor to be chosen. Okay, so before honor is the correct option. We have to use the article the, and the sentence is Yamuna flows from its surface. Now here we are describing the definite thing. Okay, so we will write the Yamuna flows from its surface. So we will use before Yamuna because Yamuna Nadi is only one. Okay, to show the definite thing or the universal one thing, we always use the. We have to use article A. Tamil is a difficult language, isn't it? Now we are describing about something, so we use the article, but when we use it, so we are telling something about language, how the language is difficult. So we will use article A before difficult. Okay, so Tamil is a difficult language, isn't it? Okay. Now the third question. How many articles are there in the given sentences? The horse lives in a stable. Now you can calculate how many articles are here. The and a. So there are two articles. The horse and a stable. Okay. Nana found an ant in the cake on the table. Now how many here? An is only one article here, so option number 2 is the correct option. And the table is also there. So एक minute. The cake, the table. Yes, you are correct. So three articles are here. Nana found an ant, the cake, and the table. So there are three articles. Okay. And the third one, a university has formed a reading club that meets in the library. Now see, the university, again this one, then a reading club second, and then the library third. So here again there are three articles. So option number 4 is the correct option. Now the next topic is part of sentences. Now there are two parts of sentences, subject and predicate. Now what is mean by subject? The person or the thing spoken about in the sentence is known as subject. मराठीमध्ये आपण म्हणतो जो करतो कार्य तो करता आणि उरलेलं सगळं जे असतं ते predicate. Okay, so the predicate tells us about the something about the subject, but the subject is the person or the thing spoken in the sentence. Now there are some examples given here. The fish was in the river, water. So here the fish is the subject and was in the water is the predicate. I am hungry and tired. Here I is the subject and rest the things are the predicate. But if you see this, up went the yellow kite. So here the sentence is like the yellow kite went up. Okay, so here yellow kite, the yellow kite is the subject and up went is the predicate, because something is tell about the yellow kite. Okay, and about whom we spoke is the subject and what is spoken is all the things are predicate. Okay, now we'll solve the practice exercise. Identify the subject in the sentences. Now the very first sentence is the film was very interesting. Now if you look carefully, about whom is told in the sentence, about the film. So the film is the subject here. So option number 3 is the correct option. Akbar and Birbal were good friends. Again Akbar and Birbal is the subject here. Okay, now the next one, simple sentences is there, so you can find out which is the subject here. So third and fourth you try at home. A few drops of water fell from the roof. Now here which is the subject? So few drops of water is the subject here and fell from the roof is the predicate. Okay, now the next question. Identify the predicate in the following sentences. Now the given sentence is Ritika has her own computer. Now here Ritika is the subject and has her own computer, everything is the predicate. So option number 4 is the correct option. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Here again you can see too many cooks is the subject and spoil the broth is the predicate. So option number 3 is the correct option. Third one you try. We will move to third question. Fill in the blank with Fill in the blank with the correct subject. Dash dash were torn. Now something is torn, but it is singular or plural? It is the plural thing because where is used. So the given option are the book, the books, book and all book. So when we write some plural form of book, we always add s to it. So the correct answer is the books were torn. Dash dash works in a bank. His parent, they, his father, her friends. Now see, s is added to the verb. So when we add s to the verb, when noun is singular, okay, so his father is the correct option because they is also plural form, his parents is also plural form, and her friends are also plural form. So his father works in the bank is the correct subject here. Okay, third and fourth you try to solve. I will move to fourth question. Fill in the blank with the correct predicate. Now we have to fill in the blank with the correct predicate. The cat dash dash are hungry, are in the kitchen, in the kitchen, is in the kitchen. Now see, cat is the single animal here mentioned, only one cat. So is in the kitchen is the correct predicate. Okay. Nikhil dash dash say seen a monkey, saw a monkey, was seeing a monkey. Now Nikhil saw a monkey is the correct uh, predicate here. Okay. The princess dash dash beautiful, no meaning because there is no auxiliary verb here. Were beautiful, was being beautiful. Now see, the princess is only one person, singular noun. So was beautiful is the correct option here. And the stars are twinkling in the sky, is twinkling in the sky, and was twinkling in the sky. So again here is the plural subject. So are twinkling in the sky. So in this way we can able to solve the problem that are based on subject and predicate. We just saw the articles. Now the next topic is punctuation, and we have to start our unit 4 that we start in the next lecture. So till then solve maximum problem, revise all the topics and be prepared for your exam.